Ever wondered how traders make money even when the market is crashing? Futures trading is one of the most powerful ways to profit in both bull and bear markets. But if you're new, it can feel overwhelming. Don't worry. In this video, I'll break down futures trading for beginners in 2025 step by step. Whether you want to trade crypto, stocks, or commodities, this guide will show you everything you need to know. Stay tuned because, by the end of this video, you'll have a full trading plan to start your journey the right way. What is futures trading? Let's start with the basics. What is futures trading? In simple terms, it's a contract where you agree to buy or sell an asset at a set price in the future. Unlike spot trading, where you buy an asset outright, futures trading allows you to profit from both rising and falling markets. Sounds powerful, right? Now, let's dive into how it works. How does futures trading work? Imagine you believe Bitcoin's price will rise next week. Instead of just buying Bitcoin, you open a long futures contract, meaning you'll profit if the price goes up. On the other hand, if you think Bitcoin will drop, you can short the market and still make money. Futures trading also allows you to use leverage, meaning you can trade with more money than you actually have. But be careful, leverage can amplify gains and losses. Getting started with Binance Futures. Now that you understand the basics, let's get hands-on. If you're trading crypto futures, Binance is one of the best platforms. Here's how you can start in a few simple steps. 1. Sign up on Binance and complete KYC verification. 2. Deposit funds into your futures wallet. 3. Navigate to the Futures tab and choose your trading pair. 4. Adjust your leverage settings, start low if you're a beginner. 5. Place your first trade, either long or short. Essential futures trading strategies. To trade successfully, you need the right strategies. Here are 2 simple but powerful strategies for beginners. Checkmark trend following. Trade in the direction of the market trend using moving averages and RSI indicators. Checkmark support and resistance trading. Identify key price levels where the market is likely to bounce or break out. Always remember, risk management is key. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Risk management and common mistakes. Most beginners lose money not because of bad strategies, but due to poor risk management. Here are the biggest mistakes to avoid. Crossmark. Using high leverage without proper knowledge. Crossmark. Not setting stop-loss orders, leading to big losses. Crossmark. Emotional trading. Don't let greed or fear control you. The best traders protect their capital first and profits come later. So, manage your risk wisely. Full trading plan for beginners. Let's put everything together into a simple trading plan. 1. Choose your trading platform, Binance or any regulated broker. 2. Learn basic technical analysis, support, resistance, indicators. 3. Start with a demo account before trading real money. 4. Use low leverage, max 5x for beginners. 5. Follow a strict risk management rule, risk only 1–2% per trade. Stick to this plan, and you'll build a solid foundation in futures trading. Now you know how to start futures trading like a pro. But this is just the beginning. If you want more step-by-step trading guides, investment tips, and passive income strategies, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Net Worth Nest and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Also, comment below, are you trading futures already, or just getting started? I'd love to hear